a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you.
Wait, stay right there. I got you. What are you doing here?
Hey man, I'm lost and I need to find a place. Do you know where the Smiths live? Smiths are anywhere. Hi, how are you?
No.
Good night, princess.
Yeah, that's basically how I ended up boning that chick. Really? That sounds kind of fun. I'm still a virgin. Good to know. Well, I'm gonna go check on Alex.
Oh, Alex! Where? I want my donuts. Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Did you see him? Where'd you go?
What do you think you're doing?
I'm gonna shoot you.
I got it.
I finally found you.
I found him. He's over here.
I'm sorry I had to make a mess.
Don't worry about it.
You're a hard man to find.
Not much of a traveler.
So maybe we should, you know...
Oh, what the hell are you doing? Bro, this is the real stuff. We need the real stuff. Hardcore apple juice, bro.
As I was saying, this friendly competition, it's not good for our business.
You're right. What do you have planned?
I think we should team up. You know, do better as a team. You know what I say?
I think, well, you took out 8 of my guys, so... Sounds like a plan.
It's a happy partnership.
Happy times.
So,
I
think we are, man. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. We should do that again because I didn't say anything because I like retarded.
Right.
This is not fit. Okay, so basically.
Yeah, basically, we're gonna be working together, doing a couple films, and you know, we're gonna use our awesome minds, and we're gonna make cool videos.
Basically.
So,
click on his face.
Yeah. So okay. So.
Oh yeah, Ben's fingers.
Yeah. So click on Vet's Fingers for our channels, and you subscribe to both of them.
Last one.
That's easy.
That's easy.
So,
my bat's so easy.
Right. Yep. So, all right. So hopefully you guys are excited because I know we are. So.
Yeah. No, this is not any sex.
No.
Tickling your neck.
All right. So anyway, we're gonna catch you later.
Yes.
Peace out.
Peace. Word.
Mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we